Hello everyone, this is Kavya. Today I am going to talk about the role of making ice cream at home and the physics behind it. Have you ever wondered about how to make ice cream at home? Turns out that a lot of it has to do with physics. In this presentation, we explore the thermodynamics that are involved in making ice cream. Since ice cream is made as a result of phase transition. These transitions are the process of physical change that converts gas, liquid, and solid into one another. Understanding the thermodynamics of ice cream is especially important for determining the dessert's texture, since that depends on the amount of water present in the mixture and how quickly the water is able to freeze. It also relates to the use of other ingredients such as salt to adjust the freezing point. What we want to end up with is ice cream that is not too coarse but not too liquid like. Texture of ice cream depends on the size of the ice crystal that form in the process of freezing the ice cream mixture. Ice crystal forming in smooth and creamy ice cream must be small, around 10 to 20 micrometer in diameter. This means that controlling the ice crystallization is overall the most difficult process of making ice cream at home, with flavor development often being a secondary consideration. Making ice cream at home without commercial equipment typically involves a freezer bowl. Upon use, the freezer bowl has to be really frozen, usually needing about a full 24 hours in the freezer. Then you can begin the process of mixing the ingredients in the freezer bowl. In this process of freezing the ice cream mix, the mixture forms ice crystal. It is important to turn the mixture to keep the ice crystal from expanding in order to prevent the texture from becoming too gritty. Turning the mixture allows air to be wiped into it, preventing the ice cream from freezing too hard. The formation of crystal involves a process in thermodynamics called nucleation. Nucleation is defined as one of the processes involved at the beginning of the phase change process like freezing, melting, boiling, condensation and crystallization to make smooth and creamy ice cream. There must be high rate of nucleation. Nucleation occurs only at the well of the freezer bowl, since that is where it is cold enough to form ice crystal. The reason the freezer bowl must be as cold as possible is in part because a lower freezer bowl temperature results in higher rate of nucleation. Artificial lowering of the freezing point is called freezing point depression. This can also be achieved by mixing ice and rock salt. Pure water freezes or melts at 0 degrees Celsius. I will be adding salt lowers this freezing melting point because among other processes the ions from the salt abstract the water molecules from freezing readily and aligning the crystallized into ice. Thus, mixing salt and ice allows the ice cream to form quicker. Thank you.